My name is Marc Dantimo. I work at the APRN Children's Hospital Pediatrics office in Liberty as a pediatric nurse practitioner. I grew up in Streetsboro, Ohio, and I currently live in Stowe. I chose to become a nurse practitioner because I was deciding what I wanted to do with my life in high school, and I decided I wanted to help people, and I couldn't think of a better way to spend that time than giving professional healthcare advice and helping sick kids feel better. I think mechanical engineering would be great. I do love working with my hands and working on vehicles and things like that. And also, I love animals, so being a veterinarian also seems interesting. I have been married for the past 5 years to my wife, Amber, and we've been together for 12. We met in French class in high school. And we have 2 dogs. Their names are Gio and Ella, and we are hoping to have our own kids sometime soon. When I was looking for my RN job out of undergrad, I knew I wanted to do pediatrics and work with kids. I've always loved working with kids. And I heard that Akron Children's had a good culture, and I did a little bit more research, and I just really liked their mission. The best thing about working with kids is how carefree and happy they are. It really helps me stay positive. It's really just rewarding to kind of put them on track for a healthy life and help their families kind of raise healthy kids. I really enjoyed reading the Lemony Snicket's series of unfortunate events in school. They're just full of adventure and mystery, and it was just something I enjoyed while I was younger. If I could do one rule, I would have everyone treat each other the way you'd like to be treated, because I feel like the world would be a much better place if we all were just a little bit nicer to each other. A couple things: I really enjoy spending time with my family and friends. It really doesn't matter what we're doing, going on vacation or just hanging out at the house. We always have a good time. And then I'm very into my health and fitness. I try to go to the gym as much as I can. It's just a great way to relieve stress for me.